Welcome back, CodeBuddies. Today I'm going to be explaining some basic concepts in Scratch. We're going to be learning about variables, loops, and conditionals and how they help you to build fun and interactive games. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to be talking about is loops in Scratch. A loop is a block of code that repeats actions again and again so that you don't have to write the same code multiple times. Now in Scratch we have three code blocks that help us to do that. We have the forever code block, the repeat, and the repeat until. The forever loop helps to repeat code blocks without stopping. Repeat the instructions you have in the code block without stopping. The repeat repeats a code for a particular number of times. And the repeat until keeps repeating until a condition is met. Let us have an example using the forever code block. So we are going to say, when the green flag is clicked, forever move 10 steps. Now, when we test it out, you're going to see that the sprite keeps moving again and again without stopping. The next code block we're going to be trying out is to repeat until. We're going to say when the flag is clicked, repeat until touching edge, move 10 steps. So what's going to happen is that the sprite is going to keep moving until it reaches or touches the edge of your screen. Then it stops. The next code block we are going to be looking at is the repeat code block. The repeat code block repeats a set of instructions for a particular number of times, what you've set it to occur. So you could say repeat 10, repeat 20, repeat 5, repeat 200. It all depends on what you're working on. So the value mustn't be 10. I just wanted to put that out there. So I'm going to say, for example, when the flag is clicked, move 10 steps, repeat 10. And I'm going to change that to 20. So that means that in total, your character is going to move 200 steps. Because if your character moves 10 steps each time, 20 times, that's 200 steps in total. So once your character has done that, it's going to stop moving in this case. So that's how the repeat code block works. Note that it doesn't have to be with motion. It doesn't just work with motions alone. I'm just using the move 10 steps as an example. You can make use of the repeat code block, the repeat until, the forever code block at any point in your code. It doesn't just have to do with motion. So in summary, remember that the forever code block never stops. The repeat code block stops after a number of times, and the repeat until stops when a condition is met. And that's how loops work in Scratch. Try it out in your own projects and let me know how you were able to use them. Don't forget to make your games more interactive and more interesting. See you guys next time. Bye!